Cardiovascular disease is the world's and Australia's biggest killer of both men and women. In 2017, it took the lives of over 45,000 Australians. That's one every 12 minutes and was around 30% of all recorded deaths that year. According to the Australian Institute of Health and Welfare, cardiovascular disease was the cause of 11% of all hospitalisations in 2014-15, over 1.1 million. Cardiovascular disease is described as a class of diseases that involve the heart and/or blood vessels and includes but is not limited to coronary heart disease, stroke and heart failure. Treating and preventing fatalities from cardiovascular disease means regular trips to the doctor, lots of medication and monitoring of your heart and cardiovascular health through chunky, tedious and time-consuming machines. In an attempt to help the United Nations achieve their third Sustainable Development Goal of ensuring healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages, and the target to reduce premature mortality from non-communicable diseases, I've designed the Pulse8 cardiovascular monitoring system. The Pulse8 is a chest and wrist strap that work together with sensors within to monitor the heart's electric pulses. Monitoring the electric activity of the heart allows the system to give a more in-depth and accurate analysis of the heart's health and the cardiovascular system as a whole. This is done through 8 pieces. The first is the wearer of the devices. The second is 3 modules across the chest. Each contain 2 sensors and an Arduino chipboard to interpret and react to the data. These sensors give the system multiple viewpoints on the heart's electrical activity, which is important in achieving accurate and in-depth results. On the wrist is what looks like a smartwatch. Designed to be as inconspicuous as possible, it has another sensor on the underside of the device doing the same job as the chest sensors. Being on the wrist, it has a time delay from the pulse and a different viewpoint on the heart's electrical activity. Through the same technology as the chest sensors, it completes the loop required for a 2-lead electrocardiogram. This eliminates the need for constant trips to the doctor, as the data retrieved from the Pulse8 system can be uploaded to the doctor's database, who can then view it, see improvements or deteriorations, and decide when a checkup is needed. The Pulse8 system is a welcome change from the current systems currently used in today's testing.